Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I thought we'd look at this Sudoku puzzle from the Telford Journal on Thursday the 12th of February. Okay, so let's get started. If we look at this box here, looking at these 8s, this gives us our 8 here. I'll mark that in. And looking at these 8s and this 8, this gives us our 8 here. And this 8, this 8, and this 8 will give us the 8 in this cell. Okay, so we're looking at these 4s. I'm constrained here and there, so this has to be 4. Sevens, we have a lot of 7s here and there, so that gives us 7 in this cell. And also these 7s and this 7 gives us a 7 here. Seven gives us a 7 there. And one of these has to be a 7, well, it's not this cell, so it has to be there. And finally these two 7s give us this 7. Okay, 3s, this gives us our 3 here. And 8s gives us our 8 here. This 6 will help us to have a 6 in one of these two cells. And if we look at this row, we have two possibilities. What are we looking for? 1 and a 2. Well, it can't be a 2 here because of that 2. So we'll mark our 1. Mark our 1, mark our 2. That gives us that row complete. And what else are we looking for? 3 and 9. So we mark pencil marks in there for 3 and 9. Okay, so 2, so that marks our 2 there. And because we have this 2, and this 2, that gives us our 2 in this cell. And this 2, and this 2 will give us our 2 here. And this 2 gives us our 2 there. So we turn our attention to this box. We need 1s was stopping it here, so we can mark our 1 pencil marks. And we also need a 3 in there. It can't be here. So we mark 3s there. Okay, so 9, 9. This gives us a 9 here. That means this has to be a 3. And that a 9. Which means we can't have a 3 here. That has to be a 1. That has to be a 6. And that has to be a 3. This gives us our 5 here. And our 1 there. That gives us our 1 in this cell. And our 5 in this cell. Add 5 in this cell. And because of this 1 and this 1, we have to have a 1 here. And because of this 6, we have a 6 here. And a 9 there. And a 4 here. 1 there. Let's see if we can solve these ones now. So we need a 3. No, we don't need a 3 because we've got 1 there. We need 6, so it can't be there because of that 6, so we mark that one in. And we need a 4. We need a 3 here. One there. In these 2 cells. We need 4 and 9. Well, we can't have a 9 there. That's 4 and that's 9. Then this can't be 9, so we have a 9 there. That gives us our 5. That gives us our 4. And finally our 3 in that box. Gives us our 8. And 1. Gives us 3. That gives us 4 here. 6 here. And 5 there. Great. Okay, that's it for this puzzle. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Thank you very much.